Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Lovable to Supabase. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we are on lovable.dev. You should also have a Supabase tab open. It'll just make the connection really easy. And there's a few ways of doing this. So if you hit the plus button over here, you can look for Connect Database and you can go and click on Add Supabase Organization. Right over here, you will actually have a pop-up window and it'll ask you to authorize your API access for Lovable. Now, as you go down here, you'll see because this tab is open, it has already seen my organization. So here it is, and all you need to do is click on authorize Lovable. You're going to give this a few seconds, and here you can see it says connecting to Supabase and connecting your Lovable account. We are now linked. Our Supabase is now connected to Lovable, and you'll be able to see this by when you click on Supabase. You'll be able to actually go and see connect databases. You'll see this is your database right over here, and then you can either create projects, and if you have existing projects, you can look through this list and find them right over here.